The Poo Files.
Poo Files open.
Rapoka. We already know they're colourful and extremely artistic poopers, but everyone has their kryptonite. For the Rapoka, it's squid beaks. They can't digest them. But will the Rapoka give up the opportunity to expel waste with a magnificent creative flourish? He gets it all out with a cracker of a helicopter vomit. Woo-hoo! Look at him go!
Fart facts.
Wombats, like many marsupials, they have pouches for their babies. Unlike other marsupials, however, wombat pouches open towards their mother's bum. Oh, Mum, gross.
Who's Poos?
Who delivered this shiny chocolate cylinder? Frog or ferret? Place your bets!
Know your pee.
Swimming pools. Before you take the next plunge in one, consider this. 30 to 40% of adults admit to peeing in pools. So, on average, there is around 60 millilitres of urine per person in there. I think I'll go to the beach. Wait a minute. Fish pee in the sea.
Who's Poos?
Whose shiny chocolate cylinder is this? Frog! They have big guts, so their poos are big too. Greedy! Righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files closed.